Solving linear equations word problems. First question which I have taken here is age related question. The question says a woman is 32 years older than her son. Okay. So 10 years ago, right? 10 years ago, she was 3 times as old as her son was at that time. Okay, so we have to find out the current age of the woman and her son. So in such problems, what I usually do is, I prefer to do is, I will write here son's age, and here I will write a woman's age or mom's age. Now current age we have to find out, so let us write here current age. Okay, so current age of whose we will assume, it is given that a woman is 32 years older than her son. So woman's age is compared with that of her son. So let us assume the age of son, current age of the son be x years. Okay, so woman's age would be what? Woman is 32 years older than her son. It means woman's age is x plus 32. Woman's age is x plus 32 years. Okay, now they are saying 10 years ago. Okay, so let us write 10 years ago. Now what would be 10 years ago age of son? Currently he is x years. Currently he is x years. So 10 years ago he must have been x minus 10 years age. And woman must be x plus 32 minus 10 years, which is what? X plus 22 years. X plus 22 years woman's age would be. Correct? Now they are saying that 10 years ago this woman was 3 times as old as her son. So it is, they are saying that x plus 22 woman's age was 3 times as old as her son was at that time. Now this is also important, was at that time. It means that time son was x minus 10 years old. So this way. So this becomes our linear equation, and now we have to solve it. So we can do x plus 22, expand it, 3 times x is 3x minus 3 times 10 is 30. Now balancing method you can do, so minus x on both the sides. So I will be getting x minus x 0. So here I am left with 22. 3x minus x is 2x and minus 30. We can do plus 30 on both the sides. So I will be getting here 52 equals 2x. Now I can do divide by 2 on both the sides. So I will be getting what? 2 2's 4 and 2 6's 12. So 26 is equal to x. 2 divided by 2 is 2. So it means that son is currently 26 years. So we will say son's current age. Son's current age is 26 years, and that of woman's current age, is how much? 26 plus 32. Okay, that is 26 plus 32, which is 6 into 8, 3 into 5. So woman is 58 years old and son is 26 years old. So this is how we will solve age related linear equation, right? Let's move to next question. I have taken here time, distance, speed related question. So let us solve this. So Mahmood runs to a marker and back in 15 minutes. So this is what, he maybe Mahmood is starting from here and he is going to some marker, say this point. Okay, say this point, and going, and then he is coming back. Okay, he is coming back. So the total time taken, total time is given to be, total time taken in going and coming back and forth, is 15 minutes, right? Now this is 15 minutes, so we can convert it into seconds. So 15 times 60, so 15 sixes are 90, so 900 seconds is the time, total time taken. Now they have given us his speed on the way. Okay, let the distance be x, because distance is going to be same from A to B or from B to A. So let the distance be x meters. We are taking it in meters because speed is given in meters. His speed on the way to the marker is 5 meter per second and way back is 4 meter per second. So let the distance be x meters. Okay, so now let us do, see, speed on the way to marker. Okay, so speed, or let us we have been given total time, so we will say time taken on the way to marker, on the way to marker will be what? Time is what? Time is distance over speed. Time is distance over speed. Okay, so let us take this on the way to marker is t1. So t1 is equal to, distance is our x over speed is what? On the way to marker speed is given to be 5. So this many seconds is the time. Now time taken way back to mark, way back from marker. Time taken on the way back, on the way back. Again, distance over speed. So we say t2. Again, let us write distance over speed is the time taken. So we say t2 is equal to, distance is same only, so x over on the way back speed is now 4 meters per second. Must have been tired. Okay, and total time is given to be 15 minutes or 900 seconds. So now we can equate it. Simple. So total time is equal to t1 plus t2, and now this is given to be 900 seconds, right? So now what we have to do, we will equate. t1 is x over 5 plus t2 is x over 4, and this time is given to be 900. Now we have to solve this. So what we can do is, we can simply do this, make the denominators equal, multiply by 4 here, multiply by 5 here, and then we will simply add them. Okay, so can I do here further, or wait, let me I will shift it. Okay, no problem, I will shift the next question. So this is 4x and over 20 plus 5x over 20 equals 900. Let me shift this next question so that we can solve it here. Okay, fine. Now we can solve it easily here. So now since the denominators are equal, we can simply add 4x plus 5x over 20 is equal to 900. Then 4x plus 5x is 9x over 20 equals to 900. Now again doing the balancing thing. So since this is multiplied by 9 and divided by 20, so what I can do is, I can multiply here by 9 and here like by 20 by 9, and here also do the same thing, multiply by 20 by 9. So you can see in the left hand side everything would get cancelled out, only x would be left. So I will be writing x is equal to, and then here 9 ones and 9 hundreds, so it is 100 times 20 left here. Here this all would get cancelled out, and I can say x is nothing but 20 times 100, which is 2000 meters, or you can say x, the distance is 2 kilometers. You can write the distance in kilometers or meters, both. Okay, what they are asking, find the distance. So this is the distance to the marker, 2 kilometers. Okay, now let us solve the next question. Next question is, it is saying a bus is traveling with 48 passengers. Okay, so let us write. See, this is my habit when I solve the question. So whenever I read one sentence, whatever information is given, I note it down. So number of passengers in the beginning. Let us write number of passengers in the beginning is how much? 48. Fine. When it arrives at a stop, X passengers get off. Okay, so 48 minus X and 3 get on. Now this is at first stop. Number of passengers at first stop is 48 minus X plus 3. You can say 48 plus 3 is what? 51 minus X. So this is the number of passengers at first stop. Now at the next stop, half the passengers get off. Okay, so 51 minus X minus 51 minus X over 2 passengers get off. Okay, and 7 get on, and 7 get on. Okay, so this is the number of passengers at next stop now, right? So this is given to us, I think there are now 22 passengers. Yes, so this 51 minus X minus 51 minus X over 2 plus 7, this is given to be 22. Okay, now we have to solve it. So what we will do, simply I will do the balancing method. First I will do subtract 7 on both the sides. Okay, so I am left with 51 minus 6 minus 51 minus 6 over 2. 7 minus 7 goes, 22 minus 7 is what? 15. Okay, now what we can do, we have to solve this left hand side part. So we can consider this as upon 1, and then like making denominators equal, we can multiply by 2 up and down. So here will be 2 times of 51 minus x minus 51 minus x over the common denominator 2 is equal to 15. So we can do here 51 minus x. So 2 times 1. See, this is 2 times of 51 minus x minus 1 time of 51 minus x. We can say that this is 51 minus x over 2 equals 15. And now we have to get rid of this 2. So I can do simply multiply by 2 up and down. Oh, sorry. I can divide by 2. Wait. Let me do here. We can multiply by 2 this also and multiply by 2 this also on both the sides. So what we are left with, 51 minus x is equal to 30, and then let us do minus 30 on both the sides. So we are left with what? 1. 5 minus 3 is 2, and minus x equal to 0. Do plus x on both the sides, and you will get 21 is equal to x. So it means what? The 21 passengers got off at the first stop. And we can now like check our answers. See, in the beginning there were 48 passengers, and then 21 got off as per our answer. So 8 minus 1 is 7, 4 minus 2 is 2, and 3 passengers get on. So 30 passengers. Now half of 30 passengers got down, so 15, and plus 7 passengers got on, so 22 passengers were there. So yes, we are getting our answer correct. So this way you can find out number of passengers um, get off at first stop equals 21. Okay, so this is how, if you solve stepwise and write each and every step clearly, do the working, we are sure to get correct answers. Keep practicing. Yeah, shall meet in next video. Bye bye.